Let's take a live look over downtown Seattle. Western Washington facing yet another soaking, while the coast is bracing for some powerful wind gusts.
I hope you enjoy the sunshine today. Yeah, all changing. Let's get to Parella Lewis to time it out for us.
Yeah, I know. It's kind of a bummer when you get these kinds of winds before you kind of get into the peak fall foliage, because you want those trees to be nice and bright and full as long as they can be. But some of those trees are going to lose some of these leaves with gusty winds. This, by the way, will continue through tomorrow. For the northern parts of the coast, 4 to 7, maybe even 8 inches of rainfall. And then for the lowlands, about 1/4 to up to an inch of rain is what we are expecting with this round. This round, by the way, begins today, but it will continue off and on through Thursday. In fact, as we take a look here, you could see Forks picking up on some good amounts of rain, Aberdeen as well. Olympia, Chehalis, you've had some decent amounts of rain already, but it continues to push a little further north and east into Renton and Redmond. Everett, you are next. Yesterday's rain, here's a quick snapshot. So many of us did get a good soaking rain, like Olympia, half an inch of rain yesterday, close to an inch of rain in Bellingham. And boy, the air quality for western and eastern parts of the state looking so much better. Now it's going to be all about these wind gusts on the coast and in the San Juan Islands through tonight and tomorrow respectively. So as we take a look at that peak wind gust, 37 miles per hour in Port Townsend, up to 40 miles per hour as we go into tonight. And yes, some of those wind gusts will be 20-25 miles per hour across the eastern parts of the state where some of those wildfires are. But the gusts, the strongest gusts and the ones that will last the longest, will be on the coast and across Puget Sound. So pretty breezy to windy at times. Here we go from the mountains to the coast. We've got some spotty showers. There will be some dry time and some lulls in between these as they kind of spur off of this area of low pressure, drying out slowly as we get toward the end of the week. But let me show you. Here we go. Vashon, Burien, Renton picking up on some rainfall tonight. Federal Way as well. Then a little bit of a lull for some, not as much on the coast, but here we go. It's going to bring back in across Belfair and Bremerton heading into tomorrow afternoon. And then we're going to see a few more rounds of rain as we go into tomorrow night and of course Thursday as well. Again, another 1/4 to 1 inch of rain for the lowlands, a lot more for the coast. We're going to stay unsettled through Thursday, possibly Friday at least.